Hello guys, let's start today G test route at Brampton. Make a left turn from the street and make a right turn from here. Check mirror and blind spot. Make sure guys, take it easy, there is a lot of traffic here. Make a left turn from the stop sign again. Stop on the stop sign. Check left right and make a safe turn. And examiner will say, okay, make a left turn from the stop sign. So make sure guys, we should have a maintain the gap, at least 1 car space while stopping, and I need 2 car space while driving. Okay, so stop on the stop sign. Make sure we need some space, so stop on the line first. Check left right for the pedestrians and then go little bit at the edge of the edge of the road. Check left right again and then make a easy turn. Whenever you make a left turn, come to the right by yourself. Examiner won't ask you. Signal should be off. Make sure guys, I need 1 car space always. This is a common mistake. Student does that. They go close to the car. So please keep that in your mind. And one more thing, make sure you check all your mirrors, left mirror, right mirror and rear view mirror. Please check all those mirrors in every 5 seconds, please. This is a major thing, right? So make sure whenever you cross the intersection, check left right. Now we are making a right turn from the traffic light. Give the signal, mirror and blind spot, and there's a lot of traffic here, so please keep it like that. Make sure you keep that in your mind. We are making a right turn from the Steeles Avenue and signal should be on because we haven't finished our right turn yet. And we are having a yield sign ahead, so please, yield sign means other traffic has a right of way, so please keep that in your mind. If somebody is coming, you have to wait, otherwise you don't need to wait. Just look around, check left right and keep it like that. And speed limit is 70 here, 70. Okay, 70. Whenever you first match the speed, don't do any lane change. Okay, first match the speed, then do the lane change to the left, because right lane is going to the highway exit. So examiner doesn't say anything, lane change to the left by yourself. And make sure you check all those mirrors. And again, I need the space, 1 car space always. Make sure you move your head, check all those mirrors. Keep it like that. And this is the exact same route for the G Brampton. Look around. Check all those mirrors. Make sure guys, do not miss your light. Make sure you focus on that as well. Some students, they are watching the mirrors and they miss the light, right? So don't do that. Check left right on the intersection. Check left right. And examiner will say we are taking exit from the 410 north. So give the signal, mirror and blind spot. And while driving, I need 2 car space guys, as you can see. So can you turn off the signal? Can you see the black and yellow 30 speed sign? It's a recommended speed. You should go more than that. Don't go less than that, please. Okay, so keep it like that. Whenever your car gets straight, please make it 100. Okay, we are going to merge it on highway. So do not merge less than 95. Please do not merge. If you merge less than 95, it's gonna be a problem. So don't do that, okay? So because it's a lot of big ramp, so use your all ramp, no problem, okay? So as soon as possible, make it 100 and then lane change to the left. Merge it very carefully. Signal, mirror, blind spot, and watch all the mirrors. Keep it like that. And don't get scared, guys. It's just a 10 minutes test. Okay? Take it easy. Examiner will ask you lane change to the left, signal, mirror, and blind spot. And I need, we need 2 car space while driving. Right? So please keep that in your mind. Examiner will ask you lane change to the right when it is safe. So again, if you have a traffic, don't worry about the speed, but make sure you should not go close to the traffic. I need 2 car space always. An examiner will tell you, okay, we are taking exit from the Clark Boulevard and we are already in the right lane. Okay, if you are in the second lane, you should give the signal. Otherwise, if you are in the first lane, you don't need to give any signal, because we are already in exit and we are taking exit from the Clark Boulevard. Whenever you enter in the exit, please watch the speed, black and yellow recommended speed, but they are saying 50. So leave the gas pedal, try to slow your car easy, okay, and keep your car in second lane. We are making a left turn from the traffic lights. If you have a commercial vehicle, so please, more cautious. So keep it like that. Watch all those mirrors. Make sure, guys, on the intersection, we have to check left, right, and on the highway, whenever you're doing the lane change, please make sure you check all those mirrors. Move your head. Make him feel comfortable when you're driving. Okay. So please keep it like that. Check left, right, and keep it in the second lane, because we choose the second, and keep it like that. Now examiner will tell you, okay, we are making a right turn from the traffic lights, and we are or he can say we are taking exit from the 410 south. Okay, so we are making a right turn from the traffic lights, signal, mirror, and blind spot. If you have a red light, stop on the light, please. Red light is like a stop sign. Okay, if you don't have a red light, if it is a green light, make sure no pedestrian is coming and we can go on the green light, no problem, without stopping. If you have a traffic like that, so please follow the traffic. Don't do rush. Okay, it's the same exact route. Again, follow this route to pass your test with first attempt. Okay, check left, right, and take it easy. As you can see, we have a 30 recommended, but again, don't go less than 30. That means don't go less than 30. So I would suggest you keep it 40, 45. Whenever your car gets straight, keep it, make it 100, please. You can see it's a long, very long ramp. You can make it 100 very easy. It's a very easy route. My student just passed on this test route, so please keep it like that. Whenever you reach on 100, signal, mirror, and blind spot, and lane change. While making lane change, check your rear view and left mirror as well. And now examiner will, the car is going slow, we have to be slow. Okay, take it easy, no problem. So examiner will tell you, okay, lane change to the left when it is safe, signal, mirror, and blind spot. So make sure, guys, when you have a car in front of you, so please signal, go half of the lane and speed up. Okay, then merge it on little bit fast, because this lane was this lane was empty, this lane was very clear. So please don't try to just lane change on 70 and then speed up on 100. Don't do that. Okay, So keep it like that. Come back to the right. Examiner will tell you like that. When it is safe, signal, mirror and blind spot, take it easy. And now examiner will tell you we are taking exit from the Steeles Avenue, signal, mirror and blind spot whenever you enter in the highway exit. So please keep your signal off and speed is 50. Make sure you little slow down. You get make sure your car is on, not go less than 50. It should be 60. We are making a right turn, so right signal and blind spot and get in from this beginning. Okay, always get in from the broken lines from the beginning. Okay, keep it like that. Signal should be on because we haven't finished our right turn. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Keep it like that, guys. It's a very easy route. Make sure every 5 seconds, please watch all those mirrors. Please, that is a major mistake. You know, people don't don't do that. Check left, right, and keep it in the right. Okay. And you can see speed limit is 70, but we have a traffic. We cannot do anything. Follow the traffic. Okay. I would suggest you just don't do rush. Take it easy. Keep it like that. Just a 10 to 12 minute test and you will be fine. Check left, right on every intersection. And make sure, guys, always watch out for the pedestrian numbers as well, because we should know when it will be yellow. Please keep it like that. And speed limit is 70. Our lane is clear, so we can make it 70. Check left, right. Check left, check right. Now we are making a left turn from the traffic lights. Examiner will tell you like that. Signal, mirror and blind spot. Turn it off, turn it on again. Tunnel, mirror, blind spot. Get in from the beginning of the broken lanes. Okay, get in from the broken lanes. Signal should be on. Each lane, make sure each lane have a different signal. Okay, make sure turn it off and turn it on again, turn it off and turn it on again. Okay, don't do one signal and do the 2-3 lane changes. Don't do that. Make sure, guys, the white continuity lane we have on the right side, so please don't touch that. Always get in from the beginning. Of the left lane. Whenever you get an arrow, please check left, right and go make a easy turn. And speed limit is 40 because you can see flashing is on. Come to the right by yourself and don't go more than 40, please. 8:30 to 4 p.m. please. It's a flashing always. We are making a left turn from the traffic lights. Signal, mirror and blind spot. Make sure don't go more than 40. And over here is a zero tolerance. Don't go more than 40, please. And keep it like that. Get in from the white broken lanes. Okay, keep it like that. check left, right. And one more thing guys, do not make a yellow or do not make a left turn or right turn on a yellow light. Okay, come to the right by yourself. Examiner won't ask you to come to the right. Please, by default you have to come to the right. Okay, keep it like that. Again, watch all those mirrors, you know, every 5 to 7 seconds. Why I'm keep mentioning them, please, this is a major mistake. If you don't move your head, they're not gonna give you a license. So please move your head as much as you can, please. Now we are making a left turn. Examiner will tell you signal, mirror and blind spot. Check all those mirrors again and make a left turn. Make sure we just have to watch only oncoming traffic and the left pedestrian. Whoever is standing on the left side, so they have to wait for you. Okay, you just have to wait for only for the oncoming traffic and the left pedestrian. Don't get confused yourself. Okay, so stop on the stop sign, check left, check right. Right turn from here, check mirror and blind spot, and examiner will tell you make a left turn and do the parking, and your test is done. Here, congratulations, you pass your test and get your license from the drive test center. Thank you so much.